Welcome to CSV Yummy Recipes. Today's recipe is Mexican Veg Burrito. For that, I'm going to prepare sour cream. I have taken 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, I'm going to pour it into the bowl. To this whipping cream, adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Next, adding salt of 1 or 2 pinches. Mix everything well. It becomes little bit thicker, and then the sour cream is ready. Next step is preparation of tomato salsa. I have taken two Roma tomatoes, red onion, salt, and then few cilantro leaves. I have chopped tomato. Next, adding chopped red onion, salt, and then chopped cilantro. Next, adding lime juice, 1 or 2 teaspoons. Mix everything well. Then tomato salsa is also ready. Next step is preparation of corn salsa. I have taken corn, cilantro, onion. I'm going to use pepper and salt. Mix, add onion to the corn. Next, cilantro. Next, salt. Next, jalapeno. Next, adding some lime juice, just 1 or 2 teaspoons. Mix everything well. And now corn salsa is also ready. Next step is preparation of fajita veggies. I have taken half bell pepper, onion, sort it well, sort it for 5 minutes, then transfer it into the plate. The veggies are ready. Next, in the same pan, I'm going to prepare the refried beans. I have added 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and then add chopped onion as well. Mix everything, sort it for 2 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of black beans, salt, these are washed, soaked overnight, boiled black beans. Add it to the pan, cook it for 5 minutes. After cooking 5 minutes, transfer it to the plate, mash it coarsely with the fork. Now everything is ready. Arranging it in the tortilla, corn salsa, tomato salsa, fajita veggies, and homemade chili salsa, refried beans, and the vegetables. Avocado sour cream. And this is a whole wheat homemade tortilla. First, adding refried beans to the tortilla. Next, adding corn salsa. Next, tomato salsa. Next, sour cream. Adding fajita veggies. Avocado. Next, lettuce. Next, shredded mozzarella cheese. Now, roll it slowly, and this veg burrito is ready to serve. For extra spiciness, I have taken red chili salsa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.